Alright, today guys I want to take a look at this item that I bought from Walmart, Prep Solutions, and I've got some other items from them, that company. They're really good. And this is a microwave 4-in-1 egg cooker. And I'm always looking for quicker ways to do an egg. I like to have 4 to 6 eggs every morning. And when I saw this, I thought, well, let me give it a try. And I bought one, liked it so much, I bought another one. And I'll show you how these things work. So with the insert provided, you can see that you can do omelets, you can do egg sandwiches, or egg bites, and you can poach them. And then it gives you cook times. And what I like is I can do 2 eggs in 1 minute and 30 seconds, and that's it. No frying, although I like a fried egg. You want something quick, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And these things clean very easy. When you're done, you can just wipe the thing out, and then you can wash them. But I mean, it's just so easy to wipe them out. Nothing sticks, whatever that material is. It's very nice. So you get this insert where you can do 2 eggs. Then you get what they were calling for the egg sandwich. And then this is the main unit right here. And this is the housing. To open it up, just push on the bottom, and then this is what your inserts go in. And what's nice is it's got this easy to pull in and out. Put your egg in there, put it in the microwave, set the cook time, set it and forget it. Here I've put in 2 eggs, and I get these from Walmart, the Great Value brand, and they're what they call their large. So now we'll put them in the microwave and cook them. So this is 1.5 minutes in my microwave, steaming hot. Now look how easy that is. It came out, and this you just wipe off. I always like to wipe these off before I wash them, but you can see how easy they come clean. I mean, they quite literally just, you can just wipe them out. I always do this over a garbage thing, but you can see how they just wipe clean. And then just same thing as the unit here. And all you got to do is just clean them out with water. But they really are so easy, and the time it takes to do it is what I like. Is just the quickness. If you don't have the time in the morning and you want to get some eggs, I love this way. And again, this was with my microwave, 1 minute and 30 seconds. These are perfect. And if you want to poach them, you just have less time. So just fool around with your microwave. Also, I thought, what would happen if I put 2 of these units in? So now I've got 4 eggs I'm making at one time, and I'll just double the time from 1 minute 30 to 3 minutes. And they worked out perfect. So now I can get 4 eggs in 3 minutes. They're perfectly done. I got to tell you, I'm real happy with this system. I've tried numerous other things that are out there over time, and I always go back to frying them. And like I said, I still love a fried egg, but if you're looking for something to do quick and you're trying to save on time and you don't want the mess of frying, this item from Prep Solutions is excellent to use in your microwave. I give it 110%.